So this is a modern extension. There's actually an old cottage building off to the right here. That's what that kind of walkthrough is. And I was just going to show you how you would go about creating this space. The important thing to think about is you want to start with the outside boundary of your space first. So from memory, that was quite a kind of long rectangular space. You'll see the corners snap to one another when they're at kind of 90 degrees here, or straight in line there. And then once you have your overall kind of footprint of the space right, you then want to click on a wall, click the plus button, and then add internal wall. And it's these that you can really use to kind of divide up your space. So from memory, I think they had a utility and like boot room space here. You see, so this is one wall across the back, and then we've got kind of subdivided rooms here. They had a living room. All of these dimensions will obviously be wrong, but they kind of had a living room there, and then a hallway, something like that. So you create the kind of outside of your space first, and then it's about adding the internal walls. And then you can go ahead and furnish and decorate and do whatever you like. So we've got I always seem to choose the Victorian door, but you can see, I've just added that door there. Can always duplicate that, and put that through there. And then, yeah, just about planning the space, really.